Hi guys, and welcome back to Chase DH. Today we are going to be unboxing a magic kit. Okay, so here's the set. And this magnetic. Really cool. Like that. What is this? It's a book. This is like instruction. This is fancy. Look at that. We got 3 balls. We got votes. We got don't know what. We got a rope and a black thing. And we got deck cards and a book and a wand. And yeah. So let's get on to magic. Knows you can't be a magician without an outfit. So we got a hat and outfit, and we're gonna go put this on. Yeah. And I am in my outfit. Okay. Now let's look at our magic tricks. First, I took off my gloves. First thing we have, magic wand. Ba-da-da, abracadabra, alakazam. Okay, first magic trick is, I think this is how it works. I did not read anything. Put that in. Stop. Don't put it in. Put this, putting it in. There, got in. You're about to see something amazing. It's about to get chopped in half, but not even show. Da-da. Bam. Now this one is easy. It just see, it goes like that, and it's just switching. And this thing right here is just going like, da-da. It's going like that. It's even leaning like that way. See? I'm holding it straight up. So, this thing sucks. Next thing is, we have a deck of cards. This is what, I'll shred it. That. Yay. I don't know if these are fake cards or real cards. Can you actually use them? Yeah, they're all real. I was about to say all fake. But these work good. But just normal deck of cards, you find that in every magic set. We got a scarf. Ooh, I know how to do a really cool trick with this type of scarf. That trick I tried to do did not work. I practiced it a couple times, but I have this trick. My finger hurts so much. Oh, it hurts so much. Okay, so the trick I was trying to do was to put the handkerchief thingy in there and then disappear. I know how to do it. I'm not telling you a secret. But next thing up is, we have this rope, long rope, jump rope. It's a jump rope. Ready, and da-da-da-da-da. Bam. That's jump rope in the chase. And we got another one of those ropes. This one's sealed. Don't know why that one wasn't. Why did I touch that? This one's sealed one. And we got, I thought these were what, plastic balls. They're so squishy. No. No way. Be right back with the balls. That sounds weird. Okay. That. And. Oh, not again. My finger hurts so much. Is that glowing? Oh, that's glowing. Ew. Oh, that is so gross. Oh yeah, it stopped glowing. That hurt. It still hurts. Okay, then we got the book, and the book should have read those before. Do you want to get this? I forgot why I got it. And this outfit, I don't know who did it. What am I looking at? A cello? I'm a cellist. Okay, but that's all of the things. Now I'm going to rate this. Again, my finger hurts, and I was just putting away my handkerchief. Hurts so much. Why does it hurt so much? Why does my finger hurt so much? It is blowing. Let's put this back and putting everything away, and then I'm gonna write this again, not just it before. Why do magicians get hurt so much? Why? I did not want to be a magician. Don't be a magician. Okay, so I rate this kit about a 7 because I feel like it didn't have everything, but I gave it a 7 because I did not read the instructions and they had a lot of instructions, but that's why I didn't read it, and so it's my fault all the tricks were bad. But hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop a like on this video, and please subscribe to my channel and my other channel, which I did the smoothie challenge on. You gotta go see that. For more videos like these.